Hello funXies, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm gonna make another bonsai tree, and this time it's made out of wool. So let's get started. So right now I've taken these craft wires, as you can see. So all are in different sizes. Now what I'll do is that I'll take a newspaper and I'll start wrapping it around the wire. Once it's done, I'll put some glue over here and just fold it this way. Now what I'll do is that I'll repeat this on all the other wires as well. So once I get all these different sizes of wire, now what I'll do is that I'll take all of them. I'll make a bundle. Then I'll put some tape over here, clear tape, and stick them all together. Now I'll just fold them and give them tree size, and this is very easy to do because it has wire inside it. Okay, so once I'm happy with that, now what I'll do is that I'll make the pot. So over here I've taken this brown cardboard and I'll just cut this size and stick them together. Alright, after doing that, I'll put some glue over here as well and stick the cardboard over here just to close it. So once that is done, I'll stick another ring cardboard over here inside it, and then I'll put my bonsai tree base this way. Now I'll put some cardboard stripes here as well. And I'll put it over here as well. Once I'm done doing that, I'll put some glue here. And then I'll put this foam sheet over here. Once that is done, I'll start painting my base, and for the pot I'm going to paint it completely white. So I'm using acrylic paints for the shiny effect, but you can use fabric paints instead, it does the same job. So like I always say, you can use as many coats as you want and just give it a perfect and beautiful finished look. Now I'll paint my tree in the black shade. Once it's completely painted black, I'll put some white paint and give it a highlight. Now I'll take my wool, and over here I'm going with white wool first. I'll just wrap it around 3 of my fingers and then I'll cut it out. So I'll take a small tiny section of that and then I'll tie it around this part. After tying a knot very tightly, I'll just double it. And then this is what I get right now. I'll just cut it from the middle. So this way I get these 2 sections of wool. Now I'll just take a small comb and I'll start brushing it just to give that nice and fuller, fluffier look. So once it's done, as you can see, this side and this side are completely different. So I'll just make it even and do it on both of the sides. So once the axis wool is done, now I'll just start with the red one as well and make quite a lot of them.
I do this every season. I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy. My heart feels
Okay,
heavy.
so as you can see, these are the pieces which I've made already. Now slowly I'll start sticking it to the tree.
That I made by myself, oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I've lost a million times already. I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow.
Okay guys, so one side, when the red is done, I'll start applying white side on the other part. So this way it will give me both the colors of the bonsai tree.
I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never enough. I'm not even ready to slow down. Just slow down. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now.
So guys, as you can see, this is how my bonsai tree looks, and red and white looks absolutely stunning. Now what I'll do is that I'll take this brown wool and I'll take a few of the strands. Now I'll just cut these tiny parts out of it. And then what I'll do is that I'll put some glue over here and put them inside, so this will give a look of the soil. So ta-da guys, this is it. This is the final video. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, please make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.
Now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. I'm always self-destructive. I'll take a hit, I love it. Can you give me a second? I'm slow, got blurry vision. I'll fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy. My heart feels heavy. I'm lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. Please help me see the things that I am. I don't understand. I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never enough. I'm not here.